Correct. The data is there, the announcement is there, and there are time lags. May time lags po yan eh. Even if nami-mention is at 2 seconds, pagdating po sa cyber world, ang haba na po ng 2 seconds na yan.
Sir, nabawi ba yung 1.7 billion?
According to the GM, nabawi nila, kumita daw sila by 800 million pa, sabi niya. So, ibig sabihin nun, kung 2.5 yung cash in nila, revenue in, kasi minus 1.7 na augmentation, 800 million daw ang kinita. Kasi hindi na sila kikita ng mas malaki kasi tinamaan eh. Kung matagal yun, mas marami, pero tinamaan nga. That's why we have to find out na medyo and para sa akin, a personal opinion, it's quite unnatural na five games